So also, if you could name a few famous tools, or rather your favorite that our viewers could probably make a note of.
As I stated in this, in between, like, say, for example, maybe organizations definitely rely on, say, the Microsoft tools that are available. So maybe, say, if you are someone who looks for automation as such around the year, you can integrate Power Automate. Okay, it comes with immense possibilities and capabilities. We just limit to Power Automate when it comes to, say, making flows as such around, but it's far more than that because Microsoft has integration of AI-based form processing, invoice processing capabilities. So this can be really be beneficial for organization who are very particularly looking at into large volume of data entry or maybe dealing with document processing solutions for that matter being. You have, say, other tools, even like, say, for example, Power BI very specifically, right? So that helps you to understand the future scopes, trends, and analyze your data as such around the year. Predictive analytics capabilities coming into role play. You have tools like Zoho, a bunch of, say, other options definitely that can be taken into account that really can be helpful depending upon the area that you want to have it implemented as a matter of fact.
I must say you are a knowledge bank. That shows, you're an expert in this topic. I'm glad that you shared your thoughts. With that, I think moving on to the next question. How can AI help executives make better decisions, especially when dealing with large volume of data? I'm sure this question would definitely help a whole lot.
This is a question that definitely will maybe something will resonate a lot with a lot of the decision makers, organizations, to be frank, because at the end of the whole day, for an organization, data is very, very say precious for that matter being, and the strength of AI definitely lies in AI in terms of the data that it can work with for that matter because it helps them in terms of achieving decisions for that matter. See, when it comes to the perspective of an executive, or maybe see how AI can be beneficial in terms of dealing with large volumes of data, is there definitely, say, AI is capable nowadays with the kind of infrastructure. I'm definitely fully aware that once we proceed by, or maybe in the future, it's going to take a next leap definitely. So AI has this capability of what processing large volumes of data, especially with cloud-based technologies coming in, see the other content computing and kind of all those technologies coming in for sure, you will see that it's definitely going to increase for that matter be. So you can bring in AI when it comes to processing large volumes of data that you would have done with, say, what you would have done manually, all right. And of course, organizations are looking at deriving decisions, coming up with insights that can be very, very helpful for decision making for that matter be. So processing the rapid speed in which you can definitely see process large volumes of data, the kind of accuracy, all right, the minute, say, intricacies that can be brought out as you reduce human errors, all right. You can identify and, of course, ensure that decisions can be improved upon. With, again, cloud-based technologies and other solutions coming in, definitely the scalability, the possibilities, availability that is available. You can continuously monitor these solutions and come up with, say, solutions, okay, where you can come at decisions, bring up with insights that are driven by the data, all right, again supported and rich ways of very specifically fostering a culture where you can drive the growth of your businesses for that matter as we integrate or maybe artificial intelligence. So in its totality, when you look at that, look at in its say in a holistic manner, like maybe predictive analytics, okay, descriptive analytics, different say verticals of analytics that can be developed. So you will see that you eliminate, say, any human error, all right, the possibilities when it comes to largely scanning through the entire volumes of data, the accuracy. So definitely organizations can be the best when it comes to working with large volumes of data, managing it with respect to artificial intelligence for that matter.
Absolutely. I think the information you shared is truly useful.